Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to Accidental Adult. It is fantastic to see you here again, and today I'm gonna show you how to clean your stove vent filter. كنت عارف إنه في فلتر هون لازم تغيره and clean it once a month.
كنت عارفان.
You knew? Are you serious?
I didn't want to do it.
طب tell me, I would have done it.
This is one of those things where you just leave it until it just comes back.
So apparently this is how you open it.
Yeah.
Oh my, oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah.
It's not that bad.
شوف هون القرف.
Oh. Yeah, this is 2 years worth.
2 years. Okay, so apparently this is the filter that you're supposed to clean.
Eee.
Once a month.
It's oil.
How are we going to clean this?
We could have just ignored it.
No, you can't ignore it. تعرف؟ هي كان في زيت عم بنقط له فترة عم بنقط من فوق. أنا عم بتطلع إنه ليش عم بنقط زيت كتير غريب. هلا اكتشفت إنه هو عم بنقط زيت لأنه الفلتر needs cleaning. Anyways, I think we're gonna need some grease cleaner or like a mix of something.
I think you just need to put some
baking soda. And warm water and soap.
That's pretty much the recipe for any cleaning soda.
Let's go. First, we're going to start with the filter. Rinse the entire filter with hot water. Then sprinkle an absurd amount of baking soda over the filter, as well as an absurd amount of detergent. Then scrub the entire filter with a sponge, making sure to get in all the corners and creases. Something tells me that this filter has never been cleaned before. I mean, I don't blame the previous tenant. I literally just discovered this myself. But anyway. They never removed the tape. I know, but good for me. After rinsing the filter, I repeated the baking soda and detergent process a couple of times until the entire filter was spotless. When you're done, let the filter dry completely overnight. Look at that! Look at this before and after! It's insane! I did this. I cleaned this. I did this. It was me. Looks awesome. Moving on to the vent. With the same baking soda, detergent, and hot water mixture, I'm going to scrub the entire vent. Ew. كيف بيطلع الزيت لفوق؟ الزيت بيتبخر وبيطلع لفوق وبيعلق. Interesting. ما كنت عارفة إنه الزيت بيتبخر. كل شي بيتبخر؟ ما بعرف لأنه أطيب.
لا لأنه بالذات فيك تعمل reheating temperature أعلى من
I do want to mention that the baking soda mixture will stain and ruin any wooden countertops and floors. So be careful not to spill it anywhere near wood. And I'm using paper towels to wipe off the soap.
I just want you to take a moment to admire this difference with me.
Wow. That difference. Is that a bee? There's a bee. كيف اجت دبانة؟ مش دبانة، نحلة. كيف اجت نحلة
I cannot recommend this enough. If your vent door comes off, it will be 10 times easier to clean. So definitely take it off if you can.
كيف معلقة هاي؟
Mine was screwed in, so it was such a pain to clean, especially that groove at the end.
This is so inconvenient. IKEA, my loves, if you're watching this, you need to have a better design for this part. If it's gonna flick on my face, I'm gonna lose my shit. إذا حطرتشني ما حهستر. Did it flick on me? بدي أتحمم هلا. I can't. I feel so dirty. I feel disgusting. You know you're an adult when you have to do this yourself. أنا مني منيحة. Oh my god. Enough. خلاص, it's fine. It's good enough. It's just leave it. مين حيطلع هون؟ ما حدا. هاي هي خلصت. خلص بلا قرف. خلص نيا I am done. This is fine. This is good enough for me. If it's good enough for me, it's good enough for the rest of the world. Okay. قديه واو. شفت الفلتر؟ فرجيتك اياه قديه نظيف؟ تادا. هلا بدي ارجع للجو. So good. Wow. Wowzers, wow. Okay, so this is clean and done, and this I am comfortable touching it now. Okay. قديه واو. كيف بيرجع هلا هيدا؟ يت؟ ها اوكي. Okay, now we close, and this is the story of how to change and clean your air vent filter. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. How old were you when you found out about this? Because I was yesterday years old. No one has ever told me about the filter in the vent. No one. Zero people. Not even my mom. Mom, walao? The problem are my impossible standards that I cannot meet myself. Ooh, what if I use it as a chopstick? Oh my god أنا كتير ذكية. Oh my god. بس لا. إيه إذا بحطهم اثنيناتهم هيك I can scoop it. حبيبتي شو ذكية، بتصدميني أمرار ذكاكي بيصدمني. اوكي خلص بتصور انه هيدي this is at the best that I can do and I cannot do better than this. And it's pretty good. She said aggressively. القرف اللي انا عم بعمله هو منه شيء لا يصدق. لا يصدقه العقل. ليه كل هيدا ليه؟ بس لانه ايكيا ما بيعرف يفك هيدي الشغله. لازم استعمل سكرو درايفرز. كيف يفكوها؟ يس هيدي هي. It didn't get me. It didn't get me. It almost did. يا دقرت لي شعري حتحمم هلا انا خلص ما بقى قادرة. انا ماني قادرة بقى. انا ماني منيحة وما بقى قادرة. It's so sticky. How are we going?